Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ruby here. So today you guys, I saw this hack on TikTok, so I'm gonna try it out. So I have one lighter concealer, a darker concealer, a blush liquid, and also a lipstick. So I am going to try this out on my eyes. If it's your first time here, welcome to my channel, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend. So guys, I have these four products in my hand. So I saw this on TikTok and I said, let me try it out. Because sometimes I just want to try out things that I see on TikTok like hot. So here I am going to put the first concealer here under my eyes right here. And then this is the lightest concealer, I think, and I am going to put the darkest one right here. So if you have makeup, you guys, take up some makeup and play in it. So I am going to use this here, which is a NYX lipstick, and I'm going to put it right here. Right here, I'm going. This smells really, really nice. Right here. And then I am also going to put this blush here, cream blush. I'm going to put it right here. Okay. So now I am going to blend these four together under my eyes. And I'm using this brush. I think I've got it from e.l.f. So I'm using this sponge to blend it out properly. And this is how it look, you guys. You can see here, this is how it look. So let's start off with the lighter concealer in the inner corner of my eyes, which is here. And then I am going to put the darker concealer secondly. And I'm going to put the lipstick from e.l.f. Not e.l.f., from NYX, right here. And then I am going to put the blush right here. This is it. I'm gonna put the blush right here. So now I am going to use this brush. I know this brush is not the right brush, but I am using it anyway. And you can see it's look really, really pretty. And I'm just tapping it underneath my eyes. So now I'm gonna use this sponge here and even out the product underneath my eyes here. So now I'm gonna go in with some powder, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm using the same sponge, and I'm just gonna sweep a little bit. I'm going back in the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm using it underneath my eyes to set this liquid concealer, lipstick, and blush that I put here. I'm not putting a lot of powder because, you know, sometimes your under eye intend to get creases, and I know that sometimes mine do, so I'm just using a small amount. This one is a matte foundation powder from the Beauty Supply. This one here I'm going to use here, and I'm using this brush. This is the powder that I'm using, and I'm just going to take everything and just put it on my face here and over here. And you can see how seemingly this look on the face. Came on here from Cake, and this is the spray that I'm going to use. So this is what I'm using, and then I am also going to go in with this same lipstick. So I'm gonna put a little bit of more blush over this, and this one here is the cream blush. So I'm just gonna put a little bit over it, but this looks really nice here. And then I am going to apply some of the same NYX lipstick to my lip. Okay, my friends, so this is the final look. So 4 products I use under my eyes, and these are the 4 products. So this is from NYX, is a lipstick that I use right here, and I use this one right here, which is a darker shade concealer, and the lighter one right here. So, and also I go in with this. So this is how it look, you guys. And I just want to say thank you so much, you guys, for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in my next upload. Ciao for now.